right? Number 21. The graph of the exponential function h in the xy plane, where y equal to h of x has a y-intercept of d, where d is a positive constant, which of following could define the function h. Okay, so we're looking for a function that could define um, the function that they describe here. So first we know this is an exponential function. So if you have an exponential function, that means no matter what the other numbers are, the exponential function, they follow this format. Okay, so it's y equal to a times b to the x. Okay, y equal to a times b to the x. So the x value, the x here had to be in the exponent. So that's why they're called exponential function. Right, so x had to be in the exponent and not any other variable or any other letter. Right, so it's not gonna be b. So b is technically a linear function because it's 3 times d. These are constants, right? Times x, so it's a linear function. Because the exponent on x is 1. Okay, so that's not the exponential function. And c, the exponent is 3, so technically that's a cubic function. Okay, so the only a and d have x in the exponent. These are exponential. Okay, but is it a or d? Well, so they also said the y-intercept had to be d. Right, the y-intercept had to be d. So pretty much in the exponential function, the number multiplied in front of the parentheses, this is gonna be our y-intercept. Okay, because when x is 0, b raised to the 0, this will be equal to 1, so it will kind of cancel itself out. So what we get left will be the a value in front. Okay, so that will be when x equals 0, that's the number, so that's the y-intercept. Okay, so you can just kind of know the y-intercept is always a number in front. So that should be where the d is. Okay, that should be where d is, and then so the b value we don't know, right? So it could be anything. So this question says which one could work, right? So in this case, we know d had to be in front, but it seems like the number in the parentheses is 3, but there's no way to prove it, but we know that could work, right? So the key is that the d value had to be in front, right? So the correct answer had to be d here. So we just have to happen to have a 3 in the parentheses, but we know that the y-intercept had to be the number in front. Okay, so that should be it for number 21 here.